So this is the Ryobi hanging cabinet. I got it for about 60 bucks on Direct Tools. Gonna see if I could put it up here somewhere. So here it is out of the box. Seemed pretty well packaged. Okay, so here's the Ryobi hanging cabinet, all installed. Have a couple of tools in here. I actually don't need these keys, so I'm going to just put them right in there. It's pretty easy to install. I just stuck a brace underneath it, then a couple of screws to keep it against the wall. It holds a bunch of stuff. I have a couple of tools up here, 2 more here, along with some miscellaneous accessories, 4 more hanging here, and looks good, easy to install, and seems pretty sturdy. So actually the Ryobi coupled with this Harbor Freight cabinet I got a few years ago, together they hold a bunch of stuff, so it's looking good.